Today I want to talk about reader tamper. Now, reader tamper has been around for a really long time. This isn't anything new, so why isn't it being deployed in the field when using Wiegand communication? Well, it's not that the technology doesn't support it. Instead, enabling tamper with Wiegand, it requires extra wiring, extra inputs, a lot of extra effort, and that's usually why it's skipped. OSDP has simplified reader tamper, and it eliminates all that extra work that was needed with readers talking Wiegand. Let's take a look at what this looks like in the field. So on this setup, there are two readers, the Signo 20K, that's the one with the keypad, that's communicating Wiegand, and then we have the Signo 20, the one without a keypad, and that's communicating OSDP. First, let's see what happens with the Wiegand reader with no extra setup for tamper. Let's say that a bad actor or criminal, they walk up and they pull that reader off the wall. Now this should theoretically put the reader into tamper, but in the software, you see that nothing changes. There's no alert, there's no notification, there's no indication that anything's wrong. From the system's perspective, everything looks normal. That means that a criminal could install a sniffer or replay device like the ESP key and nobody would ever know. And that should make you feel really uncomfortable. Now, let's look at this same scenario, but with an OSDP reader. If a person pulls that reader off the wall, then you'll immediately see the system register a tamper event. The software shows that something's wrong, and somebody in the Security Operations Center would see that event happening in real time. A camera could pop up and give some visual notification to the security staff, maybe an email fires off, or maybe there's a local action that can be triggered to scare the criminal away. Look, here's the key point. Nothing special was done to configure this to make it happen over OSDP. There's no extra wiring, there's no additional inputs, there's no custom logic that you need to program. This functionality is all built into OSDP. It's foundational to the OSDP specification. And that's the key difference. If you're still allowing your readers to talk Wiegand today, well, you're leaving your system exposed and limiting your visibility out at the edge. OSDP gives you awareness, accountability, and a stronger security posture right out of the box. That's the Mercury Minute. Stay open and stay secure, my friends. See y'all next time.